Hello everyone, so today we will proceed with this case box, let's say. In previous tutorials we've created these legs, the switch, definitely the box, and this area. Topology is crappy, however we will fix it later. Right now what I will try to do, the shelf or something like that, I don't know how to say, a little bit extrude this gray area, let's say, around this cylindrical shape. So let's proceed. So okay, I will go to unsmooth view, select this part, just duplicate it. Great. So this line looking very cool, looking align it with this let's say shape of the box. And we need to drag everything down. Great. So let's isolate it, select these guys, these vertex points, and just align it. All align it in here. Great. For topology, you can see it's definitely very ugly. So what we can do in this situation, definitely we can just take it and delete it. Okay, so let's try to delete everything in this scenario, let's say. Okay, and what I will do, wait a second, did we we had what to delete it like that. Okay, so let's offset, let's do offset, something like that. Awesome. Let's delete that guy. So what we can do now, definitely we can go these lines and just do something like this. Alright, obvious. Okay, we will straighten them a bit later. However, right now, just trying to do faster. We will mirror it probably, to be more efficient. Okay, so align that one. Let's use that one. Okay, these guys, let's move in here. This guy, fine with that one. Okay, so we have pretty good result. However, I still don't like it. I don't know, maybe we will remove one line. Still thinking, because I don't know how sharp we want to have this angle, but oh well. This like that. We will snap our gizmo there, our pivot point and gizmo to the center, and just duplicate and mirror over the x-axis, combine everything and merge vertices. Super awesome. Okay, so what we can do next, definitely extrude. How much? Let's figure it out. Okay, so probably the best thing will be just unsmooth that one, and try to align something like that. And you see this artifact because when you're extruding like that cases, you in most cases have a flip normal, so flip faces on other side. We will fix it soon. Just checking, maybe. Okay, so let's move to this side, and let's try to fix it. Okay, so let's select everything. No, probably we will isolate that part. Can select like that, deselect it like this, and just under the mesh reverse normals, and as you can see everything is fixed and smooth. Awesome. So definitely we can see the errors in topology in here. We'll fix it, no worries. In here, everything looks great. Don't have any issues. The topology issues, yeah. So let's check what we can do in this situation. Probably I will move the vertex points to this position. Let's say these guys, yeah. Go to the quad row with a shortcut. Just snap it like that, and let's check it how it will look when we will do the smooth preview. And yeah, the angle is pretty, let's say, smooth. Yeah, and we won't probably like it. Okay, I will remove this line. And here we can go and try to align it a bit better, something like that, let's say. And for this angle, don't even know, you know. Okay, let's try to add a division, yeah, in the middle. And after that, I will go to the cut tool. Just try to. I want to have a almost seamless, let's say, spacing, because you saw it was too big, too big. Yeah. Okay, so for this area as well, I want to remove such big gap. Okay, so let's select again these spaces. Yeah. Oopsie. Add connection segment. Let's go to the cut tool. By the way, if you don't like and I'm using shortcuts, you can always mention it in the comments. I can click the buttons. It's not hard for me, you know. Okay, so but if you think to be a Maya user, my advice to learn the shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts, let's say. Yeah, it will be faster workflow, you know. Just use a shortcuts. Yep. Okay, so it's looking pretty decent. Okay, so we need to have some sharper edge. I believe so. So we need to do beveling. Definitely we need to do beveling. Okay. So regarding this place, we will see. But this area definitely it should be sharper. Yeah. I hope you will agree with me. Okay. So let's try on one side, and you know, probably I want to have this like smoother angle. Okay, let's do them both sharper. Okay, something like that. And the problem is the bevel lines. Okay, let's delete them for now. Yeah, great. Let's move it. Check our angles. They pretty sharp, as you can see. Yeah, looking great. They looking great. Check this out. So yeah, black. Awesome. So yeah, this thing can work, I believe. But right now, what we have in here some issues, yeah, which we need to fix. So yeah, we can just merge it like that and delete this one guy. Yeah, it will be a quad. However, I'm not sure what will be. Everything is cool with our bevel, let's say. Yeah, so probably I will do bevel right now. Yeah, something like that, and then we'll try to merge it to center. These guys, yeah. I'll align that one. Align them. I cannot align that one. On the side. Okay. So wait a second. I will probably select it as we forgot. This side, yeah. Press G. Align it. Something like that. Okay, yeah. Something like this. Great. So we have something like this. We can now just delete these guys. We will get the quads. Awesome. Okay, so probably I will just delete half of it. Yep, be easier and faster. Yeah, and just duplicate and mirror over back. Combine it. Go to vertex points. Go to mesh, and just do vertex merge. And yeah, basically simple like that. We've got this thing, this plate, or know how to call it. And I don't know, maybe we will pivot it a little bit later. Maybe we will end it like that. But I don't know. I still really don't know. Maybe it should go a little bit inside. So maybe we can go and do it just a bit thinner. Yeah. And closer to the mesh. Yeah. So we will have a small gap, or I don't know how to say it. Yeah. Pretty awesome. Now we have a great topology on this plane. Soon we will fix the topology and on that plane, but we still not on the rush, because maybe I will decide to drill a hole in here or something like that, and we will play again with a topology. This is the reason why I'm not trying to do anything clean and crispy, etc. So we'll keep it for this like this for now, but in the future we'll fix the topology, no worries. Okay, so let's enter the pivot, clear the history, and here basically we can name it base plate, yeah, 01, and throw under the PRB base. Okay, so we're moving forward and I really like it. Okay, so thank you and stay tuned. Cheers.